Let me tell you about a situation I heard from a marketing consultant and why it's the perfect example of why you need professional liability insurance. She'd been in business for almost a decade when one small typo in client's email campaign, just one wrong number in a discount code, ruined the entire promotion. Customers couldn't use the code, sales tanked, and the client held her responsible for the losses. Without coverage, she paid thousands out of pocket. With professional liability insurance from Next Insurance, that story could have ended very differently. This type of policy protects you when clients claim your work caused them financial harm, even if it's a small error or something outside your direct control. It can cover legal fees, settlements, and other expenses that would otherwise come straight from your bank account. For marketing consultants, it's peace of mind. You keep working, knowing one mistake won't wipe out your savings. Don't risk it. Click the link in the description to get your quote from Next Insurance and protect your business today.